Hi, it's Miranda Pinner. Let's get moving.
Has it finished? Why are you asking me now?
Give me a little march.
Is the album finished or do we have a few
Now we're going to be stepping forward, reaching, pulling back,
we're not done yet. Okay.
and cross.
I've heard you, Sha.
And cross,
What is all
reach,
this rock up? Tell me.
and cross. So we're warming up our bodies. And again, reach. Getting ready to dance. And again. Reach. And cross. Last one. Now we're going to step 2 right, step 2 left, lunge forward, push into the floor, pull the elbow down. Do it again. Pull, push into the floor, warming up those big muscles in the leg, getting our heart rates up. Push. Now reach forward. And cross. And cross. And reach forward. And reach forward. And pull back. One more. And push. One more time. Take it over 2. Lunge and press into the floor, pull the elbow down. And again. Pull. And again, press into the floor. Let's do it again. And pull. Here we go. Reach it forward, step forward, pull it back. Crossover right. And again. Pull it back. Right and left. Keep it going. Reach and pull. One more time, reach, cross, and cross. Let's step over 2. Lunge forward, pull down. And again, reach. Take it over. Pull it down, press into the floor. Here till the end, keep going. So we're warmed up, our heart rates are elevated. We're gonna get ready to dance a little more. And again. We're gonna move a little quicker. Pick up that intensity a little bit more. Hold it there. Very good. So let's keep moving. We're gonna be doing a pivot side to side. Single, single, double. Here we go. Right, left, double 2. Arms reach up. Now march it forward. Reach left and right. Wait, take it back. Shake it out. Bring it up. Reach right. Take it back. Shake it out. Here we go. Pivot, double 2. And again. Turn the body side to side. That's it. Now feet apart, arms sway. Pull it back, 2 and 2. One more. 2 and 2. Here we go, march it forward. Reach left and right. Shake it out. Bring it up. Reach left and right. Shake it out. Here we go, pivot, 2. Last one, sway those arms. And back. All right, bring it forward. Reach. Take it back. Shake it out. Bring it up. Shake it out. One more time. Bring it up. Reach. Take it back. Shake it out. Pivot here. Hold it there. Very good. Let's keep moving. Give me a march. We're gonna march low and high. Low and high. Now adding the arms, cross punch, open. Now give me heels. Single, single, double. Big step forward, reach and pull. Jump back 4, 2, up. And again, heels, 2. Bring it up. Pumping the arms. Reach, pull. Take it back. Heels only. Now low march, cross arms. Open wide, up tall. Touch it right, left. Down, up. Keep it going. That level change works those big muscles, pumping the blood. Keep it going. Let's do those heels. 2. Big step up, reach, pull. Take it back. And again. 2. Big exaggerated step. Do that again. Like you're opening a door, engage your core right here. Pull. Again. Heels only. 2. Get low cross punch here. Touch it right, left. Slightly turning the body. Touch. We're gonna keep it here. Keep going. Down low. Keep it going. Right here. One more time. Down low. Back to those heels. Single, double. Pump the arms. Big step up. Jump it back. Heels again. 2. Bring it up. Take it back. Take it down. Open up. Touch it right and left. Cross punch. Open. Last one. Let's hold it there. Woo! We're gonna keep moving though. Keep moving. We're gonna be jogging now. So get those knees higher. We're gonna move it forward, back, 2 knees, down and up. Bring it up, back, 2 knees, press. 2 knees, down and up. One more. 2 knees, press. March, right here, down and up. Bounce, 1, 2, down. Plie, march. Big level change. Bring it up. 2 knees up, down and up. Pressing those shoulders right first. Bring it up. Knees, press. Pull. One more. Plie march here. Bounce. 2. So this one really gets the heart rate up. You're really pumping. Keep going. Get as low as you can. Right here, pump it. Again. One more. Bring it up. Take it back. Knees up. Push it down. Knees up. Press. Hold it there. Very good. Keep it moving. Now your feet are going to be apart. You're turning in, pressing down. Give me 4. Now pull the knee across for 4. Down. And pull. Ooh, I'm sweating. Down. Again, level change. Pressing into the floor. Turning that toe in with the knee. Using those inner thighs. Last one. We've got 2 heels to the right. 2 to the left. March it forward, arms up, pull it down. 2 right, 2 left. March it forward, arms up, pull it down. Right and left heel. Turn it in. Knee across. So as you can see, we're slowing it down just a little bit. We got one more cardio song left. We'll slow it down more. Keep it going. Pull it in. Pull across. Keep going. Pull it in. Last time. 2 heels right. 2 heels left. Bring it up. Arms up. Pull it down. 2. Right and left heel. Pull it in. Pull across. Pull it down. Keep going. Hold it there. 2 right. 2 left. Walk it up, big arms up. Pull it down. Take it over 2. And again. Pull it up. Bring it up. Hold it there. Very good. One more song to go. We're going to keep moving. It's a fun one. They're all fun. What am I saying? All right, here we go. We're gonna touch 2 and 2. Right and left, 2 and 2. Now right side, touch 2. Slide right, shake it out with a little twist. Left, slide left, shake it out with a twist. Right, slide, shake it out. Slide, shake it out. And again. Shake it out. Last one. All right, here we go. Rib slide. Single, single, double. Plie up, so get low, step up. Walk it out right here with the hips. Here we go, slide, 2. Get a little funky there. Hips here. Let's do it again, ribs. Bring it up. Walk it here. Here we go. Touch. Slide. Shake it out. Touch. Slide. Shake it out. There's a little twist there. Picking up the heels. And again, slide, 2. One more. Rib slides, here we go. 2. Bring it up. Walk it out. Slide it. Take it back. We're gonna do that one more time. Here we go, slide. Bring it up. Walk it out. Last one back. Take it back. We're gonna do a little stretching. Take it over those hamstrings, stretch. Ooh, there it is. Bring it up. Reach up to the ceiling. Now, stretch it back. Take that arm back. Switch. Let's take it down again. Nice and slowly round it down. We've worked these muscles. Gonna stretch them while they're warm. Round it up. Take those arms up, lean it back. Arms down. And we did it. Woo! Thank you so much for dancing with me. I'll see you on the dance floor. Thanks for dancing with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do more workouts, please post on social media and use #ActiveFuture.
Just my kind of heat, keep it on repeat, tested by the motion.